We've always had a terrible trouble with flooding and thick, heavy soil, so it's particularly a good time of year to install a new drainage system and a new water supply as well, which many of the plot holders have wanted. Fresh water supply, which meets the new regulations, and we're particularly grateful to the Heathrow Consortium for their donation to allow us to do this.
We start with a conventional soil pipe, 4-inch diameter, 100mm, and then we cut slots into it. At the bottom of the pipe remains available as a channel for the water to flow to the river. We then wrap the soil pipe with a material designed to allow water to pass through into the slots, but which prevents the soil being washed into the pipe. Having wrapped the pipe, it's laid on top of the shingle, which is in turn covered with shingle to a depth of approximately 250mm. And it's this shingle that allows the water to flow towards the pipe, which is slightly lower down. Having done that, we then lay the new blue mains water supply on top, making full advantage of the trench once it's done.
Yeah.
Our pipes flow towards the river via a manhole, and at the outflow point we have a spring-loaded non-return valve which allows the water to flow out towards the river but not backwards up this pipe, defeating the object of the drainage that we had installed in the first place.
They do reckon there's a lot of rain to come.
Yeah, I'm sure there is, yeah.
Yeah, I don't really want to go and say we'll start Monday and then
No.
it
But
rains.
the key thing for us, Norman, is what you're doing now, getting the water on for early part of April.
It's great that the drainage has been renewed and new water supply too, but most people are going to benefit from this. It's really good news.
Looking forward to have a much better water pressure.
Well, it's great to see the new drainage and new water.
And all my brassicas dried up.